We are live in Green Lighting LED's clean assembly room, where we have a brand new technology that we're just under development and are in the early stages of testing. What we have here is comparable to our 25-watt microinverter, but this is a unique 50-watt version of a microinverter that you can tie in to a high-powered fixture all the way up to a 300-watt fixture and provide emergency power. And how we're able to do that, even though this high bay that you see that's available off the shelf at Green Lighting LED is 240 watt, what we're doing is we are going to be able to tie that in to a system and provide a retrofit upgrade for the fixture in the field to make it egress compatible for emergency lighting. So what will happen is when we press the test switch, the microinverter will detect the wattage input, tied in with the dimming system, provide 50 watt of power that can last for 90 minutes to meet the NEC, the electrical code for safe exit for egress. So here we're going to push the button and watch what happens. There will be about a 5-second delay, even less. And this is the emergency power, much less bright than originally at 240 watt, but now it's powering it at 50 watt to provide low-level lighting to meet the code, meet the foot candle requirements. There, that simulates if power was back on to the main at the facility, and we'll press it one more time to show what happens if power gets cut from the building. Now here's your emergency power coming from this battery pack and coming through our microinverter, providing that emergency power to make a safe exit for any facility, completely retrofit. You could now upgrade any fixture and make any LED lighting fixture with a low voltage dimming system up to 300 watt, an egress system for a public facility.